Hi everyone, thank you for joining us today. I'm Andrea Dinolfo and I'm the Marketing Director for Smart eVision Executive Dashboards. And today I'd like to show you our business intelligence solution, some of our data visualization, and in particular our dashboards. Today this dashboard here is something that every executive manager should have. It shows us our headquarters global profits and sales, our subsidiary sales, profits, and margins. Now at a glance here you can see, thanks to our conditional formatting on the gauges, that we have two sections that are underperforming. One here is the margin and the other one is our sales for the third subsidiary. Now let's take a look at the sales here. We click on the gauge, which will drill this down to another dashboard, which will give us more detailed view of our global sales analysis. And here we can see at the top our products by category. And again, conditional formatting will show us, reveal where the problems are. And in this case it's our notebooks. Now here if we move lower we can see the regions where the notebooks are sold at. And here the America, again we can see the conditional formatting. We click on the America region. And here we can see our monthly sales trend for this region, our distribution channels, OEM, and agencies. If we click on the agencies, we can see here our customers, which we can do formatting and resorting. We can see here the amounts, values, sort and resort, and our trends for each one of these. Now we can obviously click into each region and see the different distributors, customers, and monthly sales trends. Now if we like to go back, we just scroll our mouse and we go back to the main page, and now we can drill down and see why the second subsidiary's margins are low. We can see here it is a profit and cost analysis dashboard. We can see the global headquarters profit rate and our three subsidiaries below that. Now if we toggle here with our what if analysis, we can see the oil, price of oil change. Our status quo is this thin indicator versus the thicker one, which is the second scenario if the oil price would change. Now here we can see how that would affect us negatively if the price of oil would go up. What if the exchange rate would go down? We will see that would influence us positively. Here also we can see the material costs and the profit for each factory. And here we have our variance of cost rates as well. Now if we like to go back to the previous page and then zoom out. The next dashboard I'd like to show you is the US sales report. Now here we can see from this dashboard at the top we have the numbers per year. We click on each year, we can see how it updates the other parts of this dashboard. We can see each region has conditional formatting. They also have trend lines. Now here if I hover over a year, we can see this grid chart, which gives us statistics of how it performed in 2007. I can also hover over 2009. At the same time, I can do a comparison side by side of how these two regions performed in the two different years. I can also sort and resort by high or the amount. To see here, we see that the Southeast region was performed the lowest in amount of sales per both years, where the North Central seems to be the highest sales region in both years. Let's get rid of these. Now another nice feature that we have in this dashboard is the drill down capability from region to state. We can go here in the Southeast as well, drill back out. And if we hover over a region, we also have this pop-up dashboard that can show us the performance in this region and each individual state below it. Now, here moving to the right, we can see this pie chart here that shows us the percentage amount of performance for each region. We can change that. We can also change here without having to go to the IT department. We can go from a pie chart to a bar chart, and we can refresh and go back. Here there are other features, such as if I would like to remove certain states from the region, we would see what the performance would be there. Again, we can refresh, it will bring us back to the original. Here we can also change the sales target. Let's say from 100,000 I'd like to upgrade it to 120,000. I click sales target and it would refresh for me automatically. Here on this page we can also launch ink. Let's say I want to send an email to this sales manager here of this region, asking for some explanation, and confirm that, and I can email this dashboard to him in an image format or a link as well. Okay. Next feature I'd like to show you is the exporting to PowerPoint. Now here, exporting to PowerPoint we can do offline, which will cache the data, or wrap it, and which version of Office. Now as we pull this up, you will see in PowerPoint presentation the same dashboard that we had. And here we can go to 2008. All the same exact features that we had in our dashboard are now in PowerPoint. So you can give a presentation to your clients in PowerPoint, explain to them exactly a real great data visualization tool in PowerPoint. Let's go out. And with that, I would like to thank you for joining us today. Please tune in for our next video clips, and in the meantime, feel free to visit us at our website, smartevision.com, and for any further questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you very much for joining us. Goodbye.